Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video, what you're going to see is a race between a 2014 full bolt-on Focus ST versus my 2019 Mustang EcoBoost. We're both on 91 octane, and the ST is a 6-speed manual obviously, and my 2019 EcoBoost is a 10-speed automatic. Check out the description for the mod list for both cars. It was roughly 55 degrees outside, so I didn't notice too much heat soak. And these videos are filmed on a green screen in Mexico for entertainment purposes only. Okay. So first impressions, what do you think?
Oh, exactly what I thought was going to happen happened. You pulled away, and then I kind of hung there for a little, and we ran out of road. At 40, I'm about 3,000 RPMs in third gear. You know, I'm going to try it second this time. If we do it again.
So you want to try?
Lose a lot of traction.
You want to try another 40?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, let's see. I'm at 40 right now. I broke the wheels loose.
Do you think we should go up to maybe like a 50?
Run out of road real quick at 50. That's fine. We can do 40 again. I'm just going to be a little lighter on it when I get on it.
Okay. I'm going to let you get the hit, and I'm going to take off right after.
Okay.
All right, on 3. Your car let out a nice pop. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Charge air temp is at 91 for me. Okay, let's stop right here.
I'm at 57.
Yeah, I need that intercooler, huh? Yeah. My car gets out of the hole pretty good, huh?
Like I said, I got nothing. All I did was spin.
Yep. So we can do the dig again. And like I said, I'll let you get the jump. Okay. You're banging those gears though. Yeah, that's so close. Oh my god. Man, those are good runs.
I'm a jumper.
Oh gosh. Whew. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that Mexico action. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.